Simply Good Kitchen. My name is Shanny and I'd like to talk about slicing, dicing a rutabaga and peeling it. A lot of times people want to take a vegetable like this and get their vegetable peeler out, start peeling it, and you'll find that to be really difficult. So at Simply Good, we like to show you again, we've got a vegetable that's round, so we have to create a steady, stable surface. So we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut the top off of it. We're going to turn it over. We're going to cut the bottom off of it. And you can see my knife, the rutabaga is almost as big as my knife. So we can't slice it up this way. We're going to have to peel it first. So you see I'll use my knife, peel down the rutabaga. We peel a watermelon the same way. We peel a cantaloupe the same way. If you were peeling a bunch of oranges or grapefruits, you'd be doing the same thing. Get your big knife out and get this job done pretty easy for yourself. So now that you got the top half done, you got a steady, stable surface here. We'll flip it over, see what we've missed, clean the rest of this stuff up. So you can see how thick that skin is on the rutabaga. There's no way you could get your vegetable peeler to go through that. So that's why we want to use our sharp knife to get this done. So now that we have, we'll get this off our board. Now that we have the rutabaga cleaned up, we want to dice it up. So what we want to do first is cut it in half to make it easier to work with. So I've got my rutabaga cut in half. Creating big, steady, stable surfaces. I got something to work with. And now we'll say I want to get, a 1/2-inch dice on this rutabaga. Clawing my fingers in, running my knife over this, making 1/2-inch slices. And then this is where you have to be systematic. Now that you have all these slices, we need to stack them on top of each other. And you can see we work in no more than 3 thicknesses, and then we can bring our knife one more time, cut our slices. So if we were doing a vegetable tray at this time and wanted rutabaga sticks, we'd have sticks of rutabaga to put on that vegetable tray. But we want to dice this up and saute it in a saute pan to make a vegetable to go with our entree. So we have our sticks of rutabaga. Again, you can see I'm working systematically in piles. I go ahead, give everything a 1/4 turn, and now I run my knife over it. And you can see just that easy. And you can also see why it's so important that you have a nice sized cutting board to work with. Move this stuff around. Move it out of your way. And it's hard to look up when you're doing this. With that, you can see now we have a beautiful diced rutabaga. Thanks for joining us at Simply Good.